Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Eric Dufault, Keller Williams, Cape Cod, and Colonial Partners. And today I want to just go over 3 ideas. If you own a home over the past couple years, you most likely have created a bunch of equity for yourself. The house is worth significantly more than what you purchased it for. So I'm going to go over 3 ideas how to take that equity and put it to work for you. First idea is maybe you want to upsize. Maybe you want to take that money, that equity you have, use it as a down payment to buy a house that's even bigger. You know, you might be in your starter home right now. How do you take that and turn it into your forever home? On the flip side of that, you know, maybe you have a bigger house and you're looking to downsize. Great opportunity to take a majority of that equity and put it towards a house that's going to be better suited for your needs. But if you want an opinion of value, if you want to know, what your house could sell for, by all means, reach out to me. I'm happy to come take a look and at least tell you what I think the market value is of the home. Number 2 is maybe you want to do renovations. Maybe you have that equity. You want to put that money, put it to work for you. And, you want to invest 20, 30, 50, even $100,000. Maybe you want to add kitchens. Maybe you want to do some updating, add some square footage, garage, stuff like that. Another thing, if you want an opinion, I hate to see people invest money into a house and then it doesn't necessarily translate to more value, but can definitely offer, some insight into that. Eric, we're thinking about doing this and this. Once again, happy to come out, talk to you guys, take a look and see what renovations, what additions would make sense to improve the value of your home. And then lastly is, taking that equity and how do you invest that back into yourself? Whether it's, taking that equity and going into a business venture, taking the equity and getting back in working on your education, even, taking, the equity and put it to work in an investment home. All 3 of those great options. How do you take that money, put it back to work for you, and then turn it into more money? But yeah, it's a good time if you guys are homeowners. You know what the real estate market has done over the past couple of years. How do you take that equity, put it to work for you? That's about it. I hope you guys found the video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. We'll see you.